Welcome to TechStone's instructional video library. I will be your host and guide you through the easy process on how to apply our modern coding systems. We hope you are ready to enjoy this video as I guide you through the easy steps in learning to become a skilled professional installer. First of all, we would like to thank the good people at Portland Echo for making this possible. If you have additional questions at the end of this video, please contact us. Let's begin. Hi everyone, I am Architect Roberto, and I will be guiding you through the installation process of liquid polish. This is a dynamic coding system offered exclusively by Portland Echo in their TechStone product line. For instructional purposes for this video, we have pre-applied the primer coat. The first step is to roll on the base coat of liquid polish. Make sure you give a uniform coat for the best effect. The next step is to flatten the coating with a batch knife or trowel. Please allow 2 to 4 hours to properly dry before proceeding to the next step. Once the main coat is dry, gently polish with 400 grit or mesh sandpaper or sanding block. Make sure you have an even uniform surface for the best results. Apply the main coat with a random method using a batch knife or trowel. This will create our unique three-dimensional effect. Take note of the angle of the trowel to create the best results. Please allow to dry an average of 4 to 6 hours. Allow to complete drying for 4 to 6 hours. The final step is to apply a top coat to protect the coating system. That is the simple process to install our liquid polish coating system. Thank you for your time in watching our installation video. We have a brief slideshow to show you some different projects to inspire your design efforts. This coating system may be used indoors or outdoors, depending on your preference and application. Allow your imagination guide you onto the next masterpiece. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website and click the subscribe button to learn more about our innovative products. TechStone is brought to you by Portland Echo.